Hello and welcome to our channel FT Invest US. I am Renat Hasanov and I am presenting to you our weekly analytics of American markets made by FT Invest US. Please go to our website, subscribe to our service and follow our portfolio, which is the result of which you can see now. Yes, this week was not very easy one. We have lost about 1% per week, less than percent, but around it. And the technical situation in USA was very difficult, but the market remains strange in my view. There was some information about foreign investors buying US stocks and bonds. So the situation in the US market is quite stable. In my view, our portfolio can grow on the next week, but we are still not in a full position. About 1/3 in our portfolio is in cash. We only invest in undervalued stock, so please subscribe. There is no risk at all when you do your investment with FT Invest US. We have been beating S&P 500 for about 10 years, and I believe we will continue doing that. So let's go to the markets. Technical analysis. We are mostly using technical analysis to predict some movement in the market. We think that analyzing graph is the best way to understand where the market gonna go. And in my view, the technical situation in the US remain not very. You can see that there was continuous growth in the USA since May, and the trend is still going up. Yes, we have seen some downside movement, but in my view, there is a very high possibility for American market to remain to go up again. What causes that? Mostly it's all related stocks. The optimism of investors related with that, with this new technology. But in my view, this could end, but not in the next week. We are not predicting anything about a week, more than a week. Mostly we are working with a day graphs. So please go to our website, and if there will be any changes in our portfolio, what we do is selling and trading stock. We are buying stock, we are selling stocks, individual stocks, not ETF, nothing like that. Only real shares of American companies. That's why where we invest. If you look at the NASDAQ graph, it looks like the same as S&P 500. Nothing. It's very hard to understand without viewing about which index we are talking about. So the trend is very strong in America, but also you should understand that valuation of mega shares of Magnificent Seven stocks on a very, very high level. So in my view, it's a biggest risk. Not in my view, you should all understand that, but people still buy. But if they buy, but we, I can say we are not, but we just not invest in such stocks. It's our portfolio is very different one, and there are some things to consider. That if there will be a fall in S&P or NASDAQ, this doesn't really means that our portfolio will also fall. Yes, there is a possibility, but we will try not to be like this, not to fall like this. So all the things related with the market it's a US dollar, and you can see that there is bear model. Yes, dollar have risen rather significantly, but it's found a resistance. The resistance line have shown in blue, and it will be very hard to get through this resistance line. So, but it's a good thing. It's a good thing for a dollar. It's a good thing for a dollar. Dollar-related things about markets. Yes, S&P or NASDAQ or even Dow Jones or even our portfolio. So let's look at the US 10 years yields, and yes, we can see that after rather significant growth, there are some signs of reversing the yield down. So it's a good thing for American stocks too. It's a good thing. In my view, when yield going down, the valuations, there are some signs of things to do with valuation, so it's a positive thing for American stocks. Also, we are looking at the Dow Jones graph now. You can see that I have shown to you that there is a growth model, no oversold, no overbought levels. So Dow Jones is looking up. So to the conclusion, in my view, American market is quite stable. I don't expect big downside movements. So I recommend to you to stay with us, to invest with us, to follow our portfolio. Thank you very much.